seen for a while.
It's a little more than the last one.
Yeah, it's pretty thin right now. Hi guys.
Oh man, that was a hit, Jen.
I know. Catnip for Christmas. Hey, are you done with your catnip, buddy? Are you done with your catnip, buddy?
You should go get that. Go get that and catnip.
What do you think, buddy? You like that, don't ya? Yes, you do. You like that catnip, don't ya? There you go. Here's a little bit for you. Oh, you done with yours? What do you think, kitty, 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 kitty?
I have what is that, attention deficit disorder.
Yeah.
The reason I came up there was for a leash.
Hey, big guy. What do you think, big guy? Like that? So slobber, you must have. Yeah. It's cool, huh? I like you. Here's a good baby. For sure. Yes, you do. And you calm down now, huh? Take me home. I need some TLC. Take me home. I need a diet. Huh, big guy. I hear some squeaking. Are you squeaking? Are you squeaking? Aww.